Hey you! Are you ready for a SHEIN haul? Because I'm about to show you some really cool items that I got. So let's go check them out. Well, actually items. So I got this really cute brown pleather skirt. It's not real leather, but it's a button down, so you can like unbutton it if you want, or you can like, you know, make it shorter, I guess, or if you want like a little slit at the side, you can like move it to side, so it's really like adjustable and you can do whatever. And it has this really cute belt, which you don't have to wear, but it is a bit big on me, so I do have to wear it. But I really love the color because I don't own a lot of brown. I don't really like wearing brown. I don't know, it's just a super dark kind of color, but I feel like this one is like a mix between a dark and a light, and I actually really like the way it looks. But it does like have a strong scent. I'm not sure what it is, but you know, that's just a warning. But I feel like with a couple of washes it will disappear. And so then the second item is this really cute like brown tie-dye white kind of jean jacket, but it's like not a jean jacket material. It's kind of like I don't know how to explain it. It's like a soft material. It kind of feels like a towel, but in a good way. It's like really soft and like it's thin, so you can like layer it if you want, because of course for fall it's really nice to wear layers because it gets like cold, or you know, sometimes it gets too hot if you wear like too thick of a layer. And it has like these buttons, and of course you can unbutton it if you want to, or you can like button it all the way up, or sometimes I'm struggling here. You can just do one button and it just adds something to it, or you know, you could do a little off the shoulder if you want. And of course, to pull the outfit all together, I just wanted to add this little brown bag because I kind of wanted a brown monochrome fit, which actually looks really nice, and I actually really love this outfit, and it's like perfect for fall, like the best outfit I could probably wear to school or even just like anywhere I want to. And of course, if you want to, you don't have to, you can wear a shirt underneath the jean jacket, because of course you can wear the jean jacket as a shirt if you want, which I usually just wear a shirt underneath, of course, to match with the white on the jean jacket, because I have like a white cami top on. And yeah, it's just super comfy. Okay. This, believe me when I say this, this is not a set. I know it may look like it matches perfectly, but it is not. These just happen to go together, which I was also really shocked about. So it's this really cute skirt, and it has like a newspaper type of print, which never seen that before, but I think it's really cute. Is this newspaper? Yeah, it kind of looks like that. It has like words on it. If I can read one of them. Empire.
Mm-hmm.
Empire. What else is there? Today, tomorrow. Super interesting writing. I don't really understand it, but I really love the color scheme of this skirt. It's like blue, goldish kind of brown, white and black, which is like, you don't think like those colors would look well together, but then like they actually do. And then the top, oh my god, I love this top. I love the lace trim that they did. It's like white, and then I love the like color. Like I love, like personally, blue is like one of my favorite colors, so I love this color exactly, and I love how like it has it on the skirt too. And also, one thing though, this skirt is too big for me. Like I said, most skirts are too big, and so I have it like pinned on the side. You can't really tell it's pinned, so like, you know, or you can size down if you want to, which I believe this skirt is a size small, so you can get an extra small if they have it. And it has a zipper at the side too, really nice. You know, you could wear it like that, or you could wear it like that. Or you can just like flip it all back around. And it's like a flowy skirt, so you can do cool little turns. And it also has this underlayer right underneath it, and it's just a white layer of fabric. And of course, if you want to, you can wear shorts underneath. And you know, just in case, you know, a gust of wind might come. Yeah, you know, you can never trust that. Wait, hold on. Wait, am I on frame right? I'm frame. Okay. I love this skirt. It's a really cute color. It's like the same exact color as like the top and the skirt before. And it has like this really cute, like, it's not centered, my bad. It has this really cute like ruching effect, which I really love. I have like a bunch of tops that have this, and it's like, really just adds something. I don't know what it is, it's different. And it has ruffles on the bottom, which ruffles are so adorable in my opinion. And they're just like, so pretty. They make me feel like a princess. They make me feel so elegant. Like, I need a crown. Anyway, but it's a size small, and of course it is a tiny bit big. It's not as bad as like some other ones. And all I gotta do is fix that with a little pin, which is like not even noticeable, super easy to hide. And then this top is not from SHEIN, but it's a super cute corset top, and it looks really good with a lot of things. And it's a basic piece, but a bit different, bit more than basic, and it has like ties, so of course, like, you know, really love it. And has this ruffling, which matches the skirt, but most of the time when I wear this top, I like to tuck the ruffle like underneath, because of course it does hang over like what I wear, so you know, I like to hide it a bit. She'll come back out later though, so that's fine. But really love the look of this. I really love this, the color. I don't know what it is about this color, like a sky blue. It's just so pretty. I really love it. I've said that so many times, but I love this skirt. So this skirt, super cute, but also kind of a struggle, because as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I missed one. 6 buttons that you have to button up, so you know, just gotta. Okay, wait, I'm struggling here. Just gotta look out for that. I believe in myself. I can do this. Okay, we did it. Okay, it is a full leather skirt. So, of course the button, like, you know, you have to get used to, like, putting them, like, in, yeah, if that makes sense. But it is still really cute, and it has this cool kind of, like, it cuts off here, and then does this, like, kind of ruffly type of thing. And it is a bit wrinkly, but that's from being in the bag for so long. But also, if you have, like, the same build as me, I suggest, like, sizing down, because I believe this is a size small, and it does have a lot of extra space that I wish, like, you know, I could put a belt on it, but it doesn't have any belt loops, so, you know, that's the one downside of this, but, you know. So, I am a size 23 waist, and I got a size small, because I believe it was the smallest size they had. I can't remember, but if it wasn't extra small, I suggest buying it, because there is extra space, and there's no belt loops, so you can't really put a belt on this one. But perfectly fine, because it's still a really cute skirt, and I really love the fit of it. And then, this shirt is also from SHEIN, and it's a super different shirt than what I usually wear. I usually wear basic kind of tops and, like, layer things over top. But this one you don't need any layering because it's super different by itself. And so it's like this printed, like, mock neck short sleeve, and it's a tight fit one. And it has, like, cheetah print in some parts, and then plain black, and then, like, as I can see, like, chains, and then, like, belts, and, like, a locket, and then, like, there's a lot going on this shirt. But it's, like, super, like, great to pair with a basic, like, bottom. So then, you know, you can add a little bit of something else to that outfit. I mean, just look at it. You don't even have to say anything. I already know it's really cute. So it's this really, what color? It has 3 different colors, which I don't really see a lot of that nowadays. But it's like a jean jacket that's kind of like a crop jean jacket with these, like, brown buttons, which super different, super cool. And, like, I love, like, the patching, like, with the color they did, like, one sleeve blue, one sleeve pink, and then the white. So I paired it with a white skirt. And also this white cami top, which I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but it's also from SHEIN, which is a super great top to have just as a basic. Of course, you can do any layering, but it's a layer, like, it's like a, I think it's a 2-layered top, so, you know, you don't have to worry about, like, you know, it being see-through, so it really works. And, you know, always gotta add a little bit of an accessory to the outfit. And of course, I don't know if I mentioned this, a white skirt. I think I said it. I don't know if I did or not, but yeah, I'm wearing a white skirt and it really pulls everything together. So this is like a fit that I would wear to like the mall. Because of course, you gotta look your best wherever you go. Doesn't matter. No. Could be going to school. Still gotta look your best. You never know what might happen. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. It's a really cute outfit. No, I'm just kidding. But I really love this outfit. It is really cute. And the skirt is the one from SHEIN, and it is really different, and it kind of reminds me of like a painting. I don't know if you've seen those paintings, but like I remember like I used to try to do them. It's called one-line drawing, but it's all of that but around the skirt in white, and then has black around it, but it's like little faces, which I found super cool, super different, super unique. And then this top, it's not from SHEIN, it's from my mom. But I've never worn like tops like this. Usually I don't get these, but her closet, so nice. You know, love borrowing her clothes. But I really like this top because like it has like a black trim to go with the skirt, and the white goes with the skirt. And of course I have it tucked in, but of course if you want, you can untuck it, and it is longer, so you know. Or you can like tie it. But I would like personally have it tucked in. But like for now I'm just gonna tie it. But I really love this skirt. It's a basic statement piece, but it's also really out there. Like it's really statement. Like did that make sense? It's really a statement because just the faces, not plain, not simple. It's different. So thank you guys so much for watching my SHEIN haul video. And let me know what kind of videos you guys want me to do next. Like I could do a skirt haul, a dress haul, a top haul, whatever you guys want me to do. I was thinking that I would do outfits under $25 haul. Stay tuned for that. I'm really excited for that one. But make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and click the bell so you can get notified for future posts. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for supporting me. I really appreciate it. I'll see you all in my next video.